Good morning, everyone. It's Nisreen Hawley with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services in Sedona, Arizona. Today, I am going to take you on a tour of 609 Tapco Lane in Clarkdale. This is in the Mountain Gate subdivision, and this is a Mandalay home. It was built green in 2018, and it has a very long list of updates. So let's take a look. First, when you walk in, you will notice that there is wood look tile flooring, but this is real tile. This is not the vinyl plank, and there's no carpet in here, so really easy to keep clean and maintain, and very sturdy as well. Custom maple cabinetry in the kitchen, gorgeous tile backsplash, granite countertops, high-end stainless steel appliances. The custom lighting in this home has a very luxurious feel. So do those wood beams on the ceiling and this 9-foot glass slider out to the back patio. Really nice, light and bright open concept here. Here we have the primary room. The primary bedroom is just enormous, and you could really do a lot here. It also has a beautiful view, and there's a ton of space to put a reading nook if you wanted to add a chair or desk or a chaise lounge or anything here. There's lots of room to do that because you got a king size bed in here already, and there's still a ton of space. Love the barn doors. I'm a fan of those. I'm also a fan of this huge walk-in closet. Tons of room there. And again, even in the bathrooms, the custom maple cabinetry, granite countertops, dual vanities, custom lighting. You've got a huge soaking tub, and I do like that the tub is separate from the shower, and that's a rainfall shower. And the way the floor plan is split on this, because it is 4 bedrooms, is really convenient because the primary totally separate on that side of the house. Then you have 1 bedroom completely separate from the others on this side of the house next to the laundry room. And this is the daybreak floor plan. It has a closet in this room, so this is a 4th bedroom and not the floor plan with the den. Let's take a look around the corner here, and you have another full bathroom, again with the maple cabinetry, granite countertops, and custom lighting. And I didn't mention this house has the designer paint colors as well. So just a lot of updates throughout. Big rooms here. You can again have a desk in the room. This room has a sofa in it as well as the bed, and still plenty of space. Storage closets. Let's take a look out back. So you've got the paver walkway to the front, and then in the backyard, you have a huge paver patio, which is covered. So that really adds to the outdoor enjoyment. You can sit in the shade and enjoy our absolutely gorgeous weather. It snowed yesterday. Hard to believe that there was a little bit of snow back here, but it's sunny and gorgeous today. Got a fire pit in that corner, this flagstone pathway, and these chairs are intentionally positioned to enjoy another mountain view in this direction. So you've got views in both directions here. You could have your morning coffee out there or enjoy some stargazing at night. 609 Tapco Lane. Give me a call to schedule your showing.